Yes, student. Next one, solution of second group, that is alkaline earth metals in liquid ammonia. In liquid ammonia, student, we have discussed the solution with alkali metal. Here again, the solution of alkaline earth metal with liquid ammonia. Okay, forms solution of bright blue color. Bright blue color. This is this is due to liberation of electrons by metal by metal which absorbs what particular wavelength radiation from visible range or you can say visible light. Okay, and emits its complementary radiations. Okay, you can write reaction also, like here metal of second group, okay, when dissolved in ammonia converts into M2 cation and releases electrons. Okay, this electron, that is the 2 electron, reacts with 2 NH3, okay, in solution and forms 2 NH2 anion, that is amide, plus it releases what? Hydrogen gas. These 2 NH2 anion is then captured by the electron released by the metal and forms NH2, this one NH2 and what? Metal, what? 2 cation. So the release of electron by the metal absorbs the radiation from the visible light and it emits its complementary radiation when it comes back from higher energy level to lower energy level. Okay, next one is reaction with organic compound, that is you can say alkyl halide. This is very important and useful for higher classes, like this is called formation of Grignard reagent. Student, it is very important, versatile reagent. Okay, this is also known as organometallic compound. Organometallic compound means here the compound of organic with metal called what? Organometallic compound. I am writing reaction directly when alkyl halide. This is R means alkyl, X means halogen. So that is alkyl halide reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Okay, it forms R, Mg and X. This compound is called Grignard reagent. This compound is highly reactive, versatile compound. This is due to presence of positive charge on M and the negative charge on R. Okay, therefore it is highly reactive compound and used to prepare large number of other organic compounds. So this is also a specific property of what? Magnesium or second group alkaline metal. Third one is formation of complexes. Complexes, they are called what? Coordination compound complexes. Okay, actually student, the complexes are generally formed by the D block metal. Okay, developed metal, that is transition metal like cobalt, chromium, nickel, copper. Usually they form complexes, but here very specific, the alkaline earth metal like beryllium, like small metal also forms complexes, also forms complexes, that is what, like Be, okay, F4, this is called what, complexes, okay, or BeCl4 to anion, this is called what, complexes. In complexes, the ligand, that is the anionic species like F, okay, they donates their lone pair electron and the central metal accepts these lone pair electron. Such compounds are called complexes. So student, the formation of complexes is also one of the very specific property of beryllium. Okay.